Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make flan dessert. Begin by preheating the oven to 325 degrees F and making caramel with 1 cup sugar until amber, then pour into ramekins. Whisk eggs, sweetened condensed milk, evaporated milk, and vanilla until smooth, then strain for extra silkiness. Pour custard over caramel, cover tins, and bake in a water bath until set. Cool fully before chilling. Making perfect caramel is simple and forgiving if you watch for color. Heat sugar without stirring, gently swirl the pan until it reaches a deep amber. Work quickly but safely as caramel is extremely hot and will harden fast. Pour into ramekins and tilt to coat the bottoms, then let it sit while you prepare the custard. This foundation gives flan that classic glossy topping and rich flavor. For creamy custard, mix whole eggs and yolks with sweetened condensed and evaporated milk and vanilla without overbeating. Strain the mixture to remove foam and pour slowly over the set caramel. Cover ramekins with foil to prevent water droplets from marring the surface, then place in a bain-marie and bake until the centers wobble gently. Chill thoroughly before inverting so the caramel can run over the custard.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.